An ancient city of Sayyod located in the district of Abdurrahmani Jomi is one of the monuments of the Kushan period. The ancient city, discovered 70 years ago, has been repeated searches by archaeologists, especially specialists of the National Museum of Tajikistan. Archaeological work, which began the management and staff of the National Museum of Tajikistan in early June this year in the ancient city of Sayyod, has already yielded the desired results. In a short period of time, the museum specialists researched the warehouse and the kitchen, as a result of which 2 large pieces of clay were used for storage of grain and foods. Fireplaces were found in the kitchen, which were using for cooking. Copper coins with the image of half king of Kushan were found on it. The staff of the National Museum also reported the discovery of ornament made of a sea urchin, which according to them testified to the cooperation and trade between the people of this area and other regions. Archaeologists have also discovered a ceramic pipe on one of the buildings of the monument, which confirms the experience of a water supply system in the city. Also, as a result of these archaeological works, rings, needles, aloes, and bronze bracelets, beads, and other ornaments were found. Archaeological work by the National Museum of Tajikistan will continue at this moment. Historians say that artifacts from this ancient city help to clarify various aspects of the life of the people and of this land.